Hey everyone! Welcome to Dianore Designs. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 mistakes you need to avoid in home renovations. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, these tips will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. So, let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Skipping the planning phase. I know planning isn't the most exciting part of renovating, but trust me, it's crucial. Without a solid plan, you might run into unexpected costs and delays. Always start with a clear vision and a detailed plan. It'll make everything smoother, promise. Alright, mistake number 2. Underestimating the budget. It's easy to get carried away with all the beautiful designs and fancy materials. But remember, renovations often cost more than you initially think. Always set aside a contingency fund of at least 10 to 20% of your budget for those unexpected expenses. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now, mistake number 3, ignoring permits and regulations. This one's a biggie. Skipping permits can lead to fines, delays, and even having to undo all your hard work. Make sure you check with your local authorities and follow all the necessary regulations. Trust me, it's worth the hassle. Mistake number 4. Cutting corners with materials. Quality matters, folks. Using cheap materials might save you money up front, but it can lead to problems down the road. Invest in good quality materials, especially for things like plumbing and electrical work. A little extra investment now can save you a lot of pain later. And finally, mistake number 5, taking on too much yourself. DIY can be super rewarding, but some tasks are best left to the pros. Know your limits and don't be afraid to hire professionals for complex jobs. It'll ensure the work is done safely and correctly. Plus, it'll give you peace of mind. So, there you have it. Avoid these 5 common renovation mistakes and you'll be well on your way to creating your dream home. Remember, a little planning and investment up front can save you big in the long run. Thanks for tuning in to Dianore Designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful.